listed on the social media checklist for events promotion is to set up the tools you're going to use: Google profile, the Evernote, the Buffer app, with Pablo for image manipulation, the social accounts you're going to need like Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Tumblr, Pinterest, LinkedIn, WordPress, etc. But the first order of business that we're dealing with in this video is writing up the promotional text into a shared notebook in Evernote. And that's going to look just like this. You'll have the list of notebooks that you use. This one is called POBSA, for the shorthand for the Port Orchard Bay Street Association. And the note that I've created has to do with promoting of their new hashtag, which is shown right here as #POBSA 15, so that it's chronologically correct. So we brainstormed and came up with 6 ideas on tweets, promotional phrases that we want to use, and we've outlined them in this note right here. And after you've got that built, then you go on to the next step, which I'll show in the rest of this video. My name is Guy Cook. Stay tuned, it gets better. Hi, this is the video that discusses the social media checklist for events and the promotion of those. And the first thing you're going to do is go into Evernote. There's the screen from Evernote. You create a notebook. In this case, I've done one for the Port Orchard Bay Street Association, and POBSA for short. They came up with the idea they want to have their hashtag be POBSA 15. So over here in the notes field, we created 6 notes initially of little short sayings of how to promote that hashtag. Okay? And we saved those when we share the notebook to collaborators on the project. Then, when that's done, we log into Buffer App's wizard called Pablo, P-A-B-L-O, and that link is there in the file that you're looking at. https://bufferapp.com/Pablo. So remember those notes. We're going to take the note and copy the text from the first note, keeping it short, and we're simply going to highlight whatever's in the window here in Pablo and paste our text in there like that. And then automatically it will update over here. So now we have our promotional saying right there. And secondary text, this small headline's available, and here we're going to just put @Guy R. Cook, because I was writing this, and that's just another way to get a hold of me. You can put anything in there that you want to that'll fit in this space provided. And lastly, you add a logo. In this instance, we go to the folder for the Port Orchard Bay Street Association, and there's a folder called Logo, and we'll select that. And this logo right here is a nice crisp logo. Oh, but it's a little small. No problem. And Pablo, you just grab this little slider right here and stretch the logo until, yes, in fact, we can now read logo as Port Orchard Bay Street Association. So that's all well and good. So everything's like we like it to be for the image. Maybe we need a different background. So in Pablo, you can add a background by simply uploading a photo right here, and we've created those on the cloud. They're a slideshow images right here, and we'll pick this one of the Port Orchard Marina and add it, and there we have our background. So once this is all in place, you want to save this image to reuse it on other social media. So you're going to click download, and that will initiate the download process where you can save it on your hard drive and put it into a folder that you want to have it. Initially, they're all going to be named pablo.png. So just select Save File, automatically take the default, Save File, say OK, and then you can see we've already been busy adding files in here. So in this instance, it's the new one. We're going to renumber it as number 7. Let me get this over. So you can just simply go right here and change that 6 to a 7. Click on Save, and bazinga, it's now into the drive. And that concludes this part of the checklist creation. And your social media checklist will get bigger and better from this foundation. I'm Guy Cook, and I'll have more videos in the future.